What are you doing?
Taking these off because I've got new tyres tomorrow, because look at all these cracks around here. All the way around there, big crack there. Crack here.
Yeah, better be safe than sorry.
On all four, noticed.
Maggie Inspector. Inspector Maggie.
Always check your tyres, guys. Finally of a day, I looked today.
Inspector Bert. Every time.
23rd week, 21. So
28, 21.
Yeah.
Any cracks on this one?
Yes. There.
Yeah, not as bad as the other side.
And that there is your payload
Oh, right.
that you can have on each tyre. Oh, you can see that?
Oh, yeah. Look at that. I think it's the heat, you know.
Don't talk stupid.
Yeah, you can see that. Yeah.
Right, watch your head. Hold it up.
Bulge. So, new tyres have all been fitted and ready for another 5 years. Oh, lovely, lovely new tread on them.